Welcome once again, Egusia for your sign so a share building say share platform ways to say na a celebrity gossips, entertainment and trending just across within the camp of your celebs, any social media also no and I be bro our platform way so na sende ya sign so a share building Sammy Flex has actually bought a car to support the Shaxi riding hailing service. Now after sort a car to support the business, Shatta has come out with a couple of message all rainy and also all shower blessings. Edima Sammy Flex one his supporter we show you the amount of Shatta Wale in the brand Shaxi. You beti a hunsem our platform way. So there are many things happening in the country. As at now, all what I can say is we should be very careful. We show who ye no what idea swa na wahwe hu ye because enye product ni na ena ye genuine enye product ni na ena ye original ani me de hu sem bro our platform way so make us ye new viewer no yan subscribe here or subscribe to your channel way dia mayen or like your video no share video no so no chawadin for mayen yen comment box ni. So let's start from this side. So this man is actually marking exams papers. Now marking paper as do chairman be so or shadi na answer him or shadi na answer him and or cancel here. This is how that person will not get even 0.1 marks in class. Hey, things are happening, and people are going through this. You share video and famra. For send a movie no we ja wa mano 0.1 boo wa cancel idea no hey asemo let's put this video aside and let's check out on this. Send another make the way we are taking good care of ourselves, it be same way we for take good care of the things we buy. And I saw this video, decided not to share, but each between say I should share it. Maybe there might be other things even going on and we don't know. Now most so much our comments so this very lady went to the market to buy a bag of rice. No kokoto emono yedi kain ate hundada. And I say a man with different packaging. And guys, this is so crazy. How can this happen in a country like Ghana? I know say Ghana had here to me ya man broso. Omuchimu we kakra, no matching we kakra, no matching we kakra. No mu dia bom no my mixture no my omanga so mumu no ma pe bag bi de gum enti na obanua mo bon say mu we ya last time nua na e kama but this time round they different. You share video way and famra.
Somebody bought me rice at Carnation, a big shop. But immediately the rice was brought, it was in a poly bag. But when I lifted it, I realized something was off. The weight was off, so I'm like, oh, when I get home, I'll take a closer look at it. See you. And lo and behold, I realized the original seal. The original seal, see what you see the punched holes for the one the machine did earlier had been broken and a new one had been done. See how sharply they did it. See the back. See the original seal. See the holes. Look at the sides. It's been cut. We all should be careful when buying bagged stuff because there's a mintias here. I don't even know whether it's wickedness. Ghana is the economy is too tough. Or just a mintias here. I don't understand. For a 5 kg rice that costs 120. See the old bag I even have. See how neat it is. Let's even compare the two. See the two bags. See the two bags. This is the used one. And see this one. 5 kg rice. See. can't even be sure whether it's the same rice that some has been taken out of. It's the same rice that some has been taken off, or it's a different rice that has been rebagged. Just say, mintias you. 5 kg rice. That's a meko say. Hey, let's be careful now. Let's be careful. If this is wickedness, you have a shop and you are doing this, you think you will prosper.
Nti busia for send am hu video no won lady nature emo no ye twa ho na se nipa somebody bought it and used the rice bag no obi toy no use ye I don't know so we are kokoton mo obi o se den o and omo share mu fufuru agum with a different rubber and mama ni new packaging. Now packaging no more the man no utumi say the seal na no the original one has been broken. Me who say nipa no or pama de fa de ni so say whatever it is, but bibia say sir. You see the way they bag the rice. This is happening no say America no in a country obaka koto emo ende oh Charlie emo we kama o menwa no kama aha. Oh, you go and buy the same rice 2 weeks time, 3 weeks time. And people will be complaining. I then am more to say, and then the assessor say, people are doing some bagged job underground. What mono or bet you chon kakra say Cindy or bet you Cindy kakra Royal Roman no wachi kakra no I mixture no they afra no they feel on also need. And when you do this, what will you gain from it? Ubo bijin sikadia no way are doing the film. And one thing I always say about these things happening is you might think that Charlie me bune ajini sikadia we obeko kutia baby times 2 and I said times 3 we enye diabo a normal principle. A normal principle. Let's put this video aside and let's check out on Sammy Flex the camp. Sammy Flex has been one person out to say he's so dear to Shatta Wale. Now Sammy Flex amayati asese wabono homodin de kakra wenya de fie dwuma oyemu de bi ato one car de Shatta Wale say or the support Shaxi nebusia o hwe car na Sammy Flex toye na this car ebi mbeka say it's less expensive nya de but it ya no car bia ni homo ani border fam. Let's put it in that quote. Car bia ni ho a ni bo edafam. Bon bisa car prices no you get to know because I quite remember some years ago crano when I asked of a car like Mattis was around over 200,000 Ghana cedis and as here some years ago this is calculate here and then I'm saying so it's not easy so we better say be the misika koko toka de so utum say the love is deep. The support is deep. Yeshe video way and famra.
To support the ride-hailing business in Ghana, we are most grateful on behalf of our whole family, the whole Shaxi family. We want to say God richly bless you for such a kind gesture. This will go a long way to help the company and of course to still provide employment like the vision of the CEO to Ghanaians and or his fans or people in Ghana. So we want to say God richly bless you once again and we are very, very much grateful.
It's a busiafo send am hu video no and Sammy ba Flex and I dodo na friend no Sammy Flex and in the video and hu here omo share and unim say Roland has been one person I found as a brand ambassador for the Shaxi thing inti man nyem won say as a presentation no course no this guy has been working with Zion Felix Hadin Ojina a bit Birena Nim and he has been chosen as a brand ambassador for the Shaxi team. So this is what is going on and what handy over car no ni inside amaya share in your ekosu say. I quite remember say Kevin Taylor also did same. He also did same on also talk the ma Shatta the same thing on also they share Shaxi him say he should use it to support his job. Into when kakra more after say video we no better Montano Shatta took it to Twitter eba betron in some say. I say, God bless you, Sammy Barflex. I really appreciate this gift. Shaxi, it's time to ride and or target at Shaxi Ghana. And then on top of this, a fan also came in or trying some say. I say, Sammy Barflex, the God that created Adam and Eve, that I believed in, will bless you and give you money in abundance. Ebusia, such a prayer like this or such a word like this, most it works. Obefi say extra, but Charlie, immediately nipa de God bless you as so no. A life is a principle. Why ya be definitely so dear ebeden ebeba. When you kakra more, let me know your idea in the comments. Do your best to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell for more updates. Send ya make the world where we day inside ahye ye and send your better to your ma and one subscribe for latest updates.